Hello friends, today I am here with a new topic that how to proceed for round 2 of All India Counseling 2020 exclusively for NEET PG. So friends, as we all know, DNB counseling is in progress. Many of our friends are very much excited for occupying the DNB seats. Even that kind of curiosity for DNB seats I never observed in the past. So, frankly speaking, frankly speaking, in my personal opinion, what I recommend is that even today, DNB is not having equal weightage over MDMS. Yes, it is a bitter truth that DNB is not having the equal weightage over MDMS. So if you have options for the MDMS, then go for it. On the contrary, due to high trend of the DNB, second round of All India will be very fruitful as per verbal communication from more than 700 plus students. One conclusion is coming that lots of the students are resigning from management quota seats. Even I observe some government seats also going to be vacant. Maybe they will be getting seats in state or waiting for DNB. So in All India round 2, many of the seats in management quota with low fee structure will be available for you. So friends, you have to be patient for the All India round 2. Even as I already told, many government clinical seats will be available for you in the second round. So have patience. Don't focus much on DNB. Your single misselection of seat will give opportunity to lower rankers. So better take decision after considering future scope. Yes, remember one thing. MDMS is always superior than DNB, and especially if you are going to acquire some government jobs, especially in the if you are going to be like assistant professor, something like else. So in that case, the MDMS will works a lot, and it is considered always superior than DNB person, especially in government segment. So don't confuse or in simple terms misguide yourself towards DNB if you have even a very little chance of getting MDMS seat, because even in previous years DNB exam was organized, but the student who don't want to study the same would take DNB, not everyone. So getting my point, even in the previous years the exam was organized, and the students which are not trying to cope up with this examination pattern, they would be taking the DNB for them. But the rankers between 25,000 to 50,000, it is a generalization, it is not true. It is a generalization that the rankers between 25,000 to 50,000 will have potential to acquire the best clinical seats, degree seats, even in this year or surely in the next year. So if we are going to acquire something very good, then better to give you one more chance, but don't compromise. Yes, my dear friends, in short, don't compromise for your dreams. Thanks for listening. Subscribe for the new updates.